Dear students, now we will see the second part of unit 1, that is classification. So what is classification? Classification means to assert the items of a given group on the basis of certain common quality they possess and then spot the stranger out. Okay, so in this test you are given a group of certain items and out of which there is a one, that is the odd one, so we have to choose the odd one. So we will see examples. First example is curd, butter, oil, cheese, cream. So as we have see here, all the curd, butter, cheese and cream are milk products. Okay, so oil is different in this, so oil is the answer, or it is a odd word. Second question is rose, lotus, marigold, lily, tulip. So all are flowers here, but all flowers are grown on ground and this is grow on water, so the lotus is different here. Third question, pistol, sword, gun, rifle, cannon. Okay, so here all are same, all are the fire items, pistol, gun, rifle and cannon, but the sword is different, so sword is the odd word in this. Next is cathedral, mosque, church, monastery and temple. So here in cathedral, mosque, church and in temple, these are the places of worship, but this monastery is the place where monks stay. Okay, so that is why this is the odd one, monastery. Next is book, paper, pencil, pen, sharpener. So see here, all are stationary item. Paper, pencil, pen, sharpener are the stationary item, but this book is not a stationary item, so book is odd one here, so the answer is A. Six, geometry, algebra, trigonometry, mathematics and arithmetic. Okay, so here all these are the branches of maths. Okay, but the mathematics is not the branch, so here the odd word is mathematics. Next is Poland, Greece, Spain, Italy, Korea. So here except Korea, all the countries are European country. So Korea is the Asian country, that is why Korea is the odd word here. Next is copper, tin, brass, platinum and zinc. So here all are the metals, only the brass is the alloy. Alloy means mixture of two. Okay, so brass is the odd here. Next is carrot, potato, tomato, ginger and beetroot. So here all carrot, potato, ginger and beetroot grows underground, only the tomato is the different here, so the answer is C of 9th question. Next is calf, cub, piglet, duckling and hireling. So here all are young ones of animals except the hireling, so hireling is the odd here. Next is Gangatok, Singhabum, Hyderabad, Chennai and Bhubaneswar. So here all are the capitals of the states. Only the Singhabum is not the capital of the state, so the odd word is Singhabum. Next question is chameleon, crocodile, alligator, locust and salamander. So here all are the reptiles, chameleon, crocodile, alligator and salamander are the reptiles, only the locust is the insect, so the answer is D here. Okay, so this is the choosing the order word. So thank you so much.